Welcome back to my series on setting up your YouTube channel. I'm Rosina Bignall, and I'm your host for this series. I hope you find it useful. So, in this session, we want to talk about actually creating the YouTube channel. And first, we need to log into Google, which owns YouTube. So a YouTube account is part of your Google account. So if you go to YouTube, you go to a channel, this is what you'll see. This is what it looks like. This happens to be my channel. And you can see the playlist that I have down here and my header and my icon. And you can subscribe to my channel. There'll be a link to my channel below this video. So if you see a sign in button right here, then you need to click on it and sign into your Google account. If you see a user icon instead, that means you're already signed in. So if you have multiple Google accounts, make sure that the icon that is showing is the one that represents the account you want your YouTube channel to be associated with. So if you let me show you what that looks like. So here is my YouTube channel with me signed in. I was in an incognito window for the other part. And if you click on your icon and then click switch account, you can switch your Google account so that you can have the one that associated that you want for your YouTube channel. So let's go back over to this, and if you have the sign in button, click the sign in button and sign into your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, click the create account button and follow the prompts to create your account. So put your email address, click next, and put your password in and log into your Google account. When you do, that will take you back to a page like this where you're signed in, and you'll have the icon up here of your Google account. So now we need to create a channel. You have your YouTube account, so you want to create your channel. So go down here to click on the user icon and then click on settings. And when you click on settings, that will bring you to your account, to an account summary. This will tell you what you have in your account. So, and then click on add or manage your channels. And that will bring you to a page that shows your channels if you have any. So you can see I have 4 channels actually in this account. But if you don't have any channels, this will just be blank. So click the create a channel button right here. Enter your channel name, which most likely you want to be your name, but it might be if you want to have a channel specifically for a specific topic, you might want to do something on that topic, around that topic. So put your channel name in, click this button that says that you understand you're creating a YouTube account, and then click the create button. And then, so we'll put example channel 3, because I already have example channel and example channel 2. So we'll put example channel 3, click create, and then it may ask you to verify, and so it'll send you a code by text or by phone call, and if you then enter that code. And then something happened, the channel didn't get created properly, but it brings you to your channel. And let me show you one. Let's go. Let's go back to my list of channels and so when you put your name in, click create, it will take you to your channel, and in the next session we'll talk about how to customize that channel for your use. So thanks, we'll see you in the next session. Take care.